It is summer and it is time to start working smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. Here are the 3 free tools that you should definitely be using. The first one is Tailwind. They have a free and also a pro version. However, what I love about this social media content scheduler tool is that you can use it on Instagram and Pinterest. You can cross post and it is so user-friendly and easy. This is a no-brainer. Second one is metricool. Metricool, they also have a free version and a premium version, which is great because Metricool is amazing. You want to talk about scheduling across all of your social media platforms, Metricool is where it's at. And let me fill you in, they have content creations that are personalized for you. That's right. So if you're sitting there going, I don't know what to post, I don't know what to say, okay, go to Metricool, log in, check it out for yourself if you don't believe me. The third and most often overlooked scheduling tool is Canva. Yeah, Canva has a scheduling feature, you guys. So you can create, use, edit the templates right there in the Canva app, and then just share it right to your social media. Easy peasy. But I would highly recommend using the pro version because you're going to get access to a lot more templates. You're going to be able to customize and use fonts, images, videos, pretty much anything that you could want, and a variety for a little over $12 a month. So why wouldn't you do this? Anyways, thanks for coming to my ramble. And if you are interested in checking out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, click the link in the bio. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. Have a good weekend, guys.